In the diagram, PQR is a circle with center O. If angle OPQ is equal to 48 degrees, find the value of M. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that O is the center of the circle. If O is the center of the circle, then it means that OP is a radius and OQ is also a radius. The length of the radius is the same, so it means that the length of OP and the length of OQ is the same. So OP, the length of OP and the length of OQ is the same. If the length of OP and the length of OQ is the same, then it means that triangle POQ is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are the same. So if triangle POQ is an isosceles triangle and angle OPQ is 48 degrees, then it means that angle OQP is also 48 degrees. So here is 48 degrees and here is also 48 degrees because triangle POQ is an isosceles triangle. One of the properties of a triangle is that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. If we consider the triangle POQ, angle ROQ, which is represented by M, is an exterior angle. The interior opposite angles of this exterior angle are angles OPQ and angle OQP. The property says that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. That means that if we consider the triangle POQ, the exterior angle ROQ is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles, which is angle OPQ and angle OQP. Angle ROQ is given as M. Angle OPQ is 48 degrees and angle OQP is also 48 degrees. So it means that M is equal to 48 degrees plus 48 degrees. 48 degrees plus 48 degrees will give us 96 degrees. So it means that M is equal to 96 degrees. When we look through the options we have, we can see that the correct option is D, 96 degrees.